Okay, we've got 4a, which has got parts double I and triple I, and parts B. Normally parts I, and I follow on from each other, and parts A and B don't follow on from each other. So we'll see how it works here. Right, first thing I've got to complete this table, and I'm going to do the positive first, but I can't because it's not given me any positives. And then it says draw the graph. So actually what I'm going to do is draw the graph first, because I'm going to use that to check that I get this one right. So minus 5, 7 is there. Minus 4, 2 is there. Minus 3, minus 1 is there. Can't do the next one. Minus 1. Minus 1 is there. 0, 2. And finally 1, 7 is right up there. Draw a smooth curve going through them. Oh, I'm trying to. It looks like to me. I know I should have done that first, but it looks like it's going to go through minus 2. Let's just try it. Negative 2. You've got to do negative 2 squared. That means negative 2 times by negative 2. That is 4. So first bit's 4. And then I've got to add 4 x's. So that's add 4 lots of x, which is negative 2. That's negative 8. And then finally add 2. 4 plus minus 8 is minus 4. Plus 2 is minus 2. It was right. I'm going to put a cross there now. Marvellous. Next one. When does it equal? And it's the same curve. And I say 1, 2, 3 are following on from each other. When does it equal 0? Well, it equals 0 there. It equals 0 there. And that'll be about minus 3.4 and about negative 0.6. That's done. Part B. Now I'm expecting this to be different. And my line here has got nothing to do with it. Okay, it's got a solution between 2 and 3. Find the solution correct to one decimal place. Show all your trials. That's my clue. So this is trial and error. So I got my values for x. And then I'm going to have to work out my x cubed plus 5x. And I want to see, does it come to 24? So I'm going to try 2 to start off with. And 2 cubed plus 5 lots of 2 is 8 plus 10 is 18. And that's too low. And just by doing that, it's given me 1 mark already. I'm going to try 3. 3 cubed plus 5 times 3 is 27 plus 15. That's 42. That's too high. So now I'm going to try in the middle. 2.5. And I got to do 2.5 cubed plus 5 lots of 2.5. That is 28.125. I want it to be 24, so that's too high. I'm going to try lower than that then. I'm going to try 2.4. 2.4 cubed plus 5 times 2.4 is 25.824. That's still too high because I want it to be 24. Let's try 2.3. So 2.3 cubed plus 5 times 2.3 is 23.667. That's now too low. So it's got to be either 2.3 and 2.4 because it says given the value of this to one decimal place. That's x equals is either going to be 2.3 or 2.4. Technically what I should do now is try bang in the middle of it. And I get 2.35 cubed plus 5 times 2.35. That equals 24.727875, which is too high. So this one, 2.3 is too high. And 2.3 is too low, so it must be somewhere between 2.3 and 2.35. And anything between x, it might be 2.3, I don't know, 4 to one decimal place would be 2.3. So the answer for that part is 2.3.